Hi guys, want to tell you something which is not so good news. If you have watched my earlier video on my experience on the Bangalore Lake, the floods, Bangalore, you can check out my previous videos. So I have been on that route, and the damage was the fog bulb got completely broken, which I replaced, which most of the viewers, whoever watched that video, are aware. But if you watch the part 2, I was just going in the floods where the water was knee depth. While I was going, I was speaking in Telugu. That car is going to get damaged, and I was very worried because I never risked that way in the past with this car. Guys, now it's a bad news that my car started to throw an error. Just want to show you that. Can you see? It's called ASR. ASR is malfunctioning, and the ABS is malfunctioning, and also there is a steering malfunctioning symbol. I got it scanned, and I got to know that the rear left wheel ABS speed sensor has gone for a toss. So there is no other choice than repairing that sensor. Just one, but car comes with 4. So the left one has gone. More likely the other sensors also might go, because all 4 wheels were in that flooded area. So the cost will be, I don't know guys, if anyone knows about the price of the sensor, please do let me know. I want to replace that to get rid of this sensor. So this is very unfortunate guys. Sometimes over excitement will lead us to pay some price. Okay, of course that was not planned trip to go through that flooded area, but unfortunately I had to go. No other choice for me. So short update I want to give guys. Stay connected.